Welcome to Tech Update YouTube channel. Today's video. Discover the latest AI enhancements in Google Workspace Collaboration Suite. During its annual I/O conference held 2023 May 10, Google made significant announcements regarding AI-integrated upgrades to its Workspace suite of office tools and applications, designed to enhance collaboration among business teams. To compete with Microsoft's Copilot AI assistant, Google introduced Duet AI, which offers several generative AI tools for Google's productivity apps within Workspace. Duet AI assists with writing text in Google Docs and Gmail, as well as provides image generation support for slides, a slide presentation program similar to PowerPoint. Furthermore, Duet AI can summarize conversations conducted on Google Meet, a video conferencing service. Google Workspace provides a unified platform for workflows, texting, and voice communications, primarily through Gmail and Google Meet. The suite includes collaborative apps such as Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. Additionally, Google rebranded and repurposed Smart Compose as Help Me Write, a textual assistant. Help Me Write offers users suggestions for prose in Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and Drawings. However, the only update is that Help Me Write is now available on Gmail for mobile devices. Google's spreadsheet app, Sheets, received an upgrade that introduces a text box based on Bard. This allows users to request spreadsheet creation based on typed queries. For example, a business user could ask Sheets to provide a list of the top supply chain providers for a specific manufacturing component. Sheets will generate a spreadsheet containing supplier information, along with accompanying images and product links. Furthermore, Sheets integrates with Google Charts, an interactive chart and data tool. Similar to Excel, Sheets can organize data and generate various chart styles, including bar and pie charts, for data visualization purposes. Google also showcased Sidekick, a feature capable of reading, summarizing, and answering questions about documents across different Google apps. Google referred to its Workspace AI upgrades as experimental and stated that access to these upgrades will only be available through signing up for a waitlist on Google Labs. According to Chirag Dekate, Vice President Analyst at Gartner Research, Google's AI-infused Workspace serves as a transformative tool for enhancing user productivity while empowering users to safeguard their data and models. Dekate commented, Google's leadership in generative AI, integrated across their Google Workspace, enables a unique consumer experience. From Duet AI-powered email composition tools to document writing, custom image creation, and pre-integrated generative AI models, Workspace provides an integrated platform that eliminates the need to rely on various sources for similar functionality. Google and Microsoft are currently engaged in an AI-driven competition. In February, both companies announced AI enhancements to their search engines. Microsoft highlighted upgrades to Bing, while Google countered with an AI-infused version of search. The goal of AI in search engines is to provide users with more comprehensive search results. Moreover, Google introduced Bard, an experimental conversational chatbot powered by a technology called Language Model for Dialogue Applications, Lambda. In the same February announcement, Google unveiled a partnership and strategic investment in DeepMind, an AI competitor to OpenAI. OpenAI, heavily backed by Microsoft investments, provides the underlying technology for Microsoft's ChatGPT chatbot. IBM and AWS have also entered the field with their own generative AI products, aiming to assist enterprises in designing and fine-tuning large language models, LLMs, to meet operational and business requirements. Dekate emphasized that, from Android to Workspace and enterprise cloud platforms, Google has demonstrated a clear intention to lead the conversation on generative AI and create transformative experiences for its users, both consumers and enterprises alike. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more updates.